Welcome to another Dependable Concrete video. Today we are featuring our project in Mount Airy, Philadelphia. We are transforming a dark, dusty laundry room area at a rental property into a clean, bright, and dust-free space for the landlord's tenants. Let's drop down and take a look at this project. As you can clearly see, the walls are dusty, peeling, and unsightly. This is not the kind of environment that my client wants for his tenants when doing laundry, and therefore he called Dependable Concrete to fine-tune this space. For protection from cement splatter, we wrap items such as electrical wires, light switches, and water meters. First, we prep the walls by cleaning them and then apply glue to ensure that the cement bonds to the wall. It's time to mix the cement. For a proven, durable mix, we use a 70-pound bag of masonry cement mixed with 4 buckets of bar sand. But first, we must apply fiber mesh to the water. Fiber mesh strengthens our cement and prevents hairline cracks in our finished walls. At Dependable Concrete, we use a mortar sprayer to efficiently and consistently apply cement to the wall, reducing time and manual labor. This is one example of how we at Dependable Concrete prioritize quality and productivity. The skilled operator of the cement sprayer is followed by another skilled employee who trowels the cement into a flat, smooth surface. To achieve a clean and professional finish, we meticulously smooth the cement between pipes and seal any gaps. Because we have protected the faucets and pipes, it makes our work look clean and professional when we are finished. We sharpen all corners and edges for a drywall-like look. This is day 2, the walls have dried, and we have successfully reconnected the washers and dryers for the tenants to avoid a further inconvenience. However, we must wait for 5 more days before we can brighten this space with a bright white waterproofing paint. The walls have been dry for 5 days, and we are eager to start painting them. However, before we begin, we need to again disconnect the utilities to ensure full access to the walls. To prepare for painting, we must mask the faucets, windows, and any other items that may be affected by paint spray. For our masonry walls, we use a high-quality waterproofing elastomeric paint called Loxon from Sherwin-Williams. We are applying 2 coats of paint to these walls. Using a paint sprayer can save time and money by covering large areas quickly and evenly, providing precise and even coverage with a consistent finish. Furthermore, a paint sprayer can reach and fill in cracks and crevices that are typically challenging to access with a paintbrush. Managing a paint sprayer requires a unique set of skills. You need to know how to prime the machine, filter the paint, be aware of overspray. However, the most critical step is to take apart and thoroughly clean the gun and the paint sprayer after every use to ensure they are ready for the next project. Skipping any of these critical steps will result in downtime because of a clogged sprayer. Using a paint sprayer can also reduce the amount of paint used, which can result in cost savings because it evenly covers the area with less waste. In contrast, using a roller or brush can result in uneven coverage, which can drive up costs. The color white in interior design is commonly used to create a sense of openness, simplicity, and cleanliness, making a room feel more spacious, bright, and cheerful. Finally, for the last time, we are reinstalling the washer and dryer. This job is now complete. Please take a moment to observe the before and after contrast. We have successfully fulfilled all of our clients' requests, and their tenants can now enjoy a bright, clean space when it's time to do laundry. I will add links to tools and materials used to complete this project, and stay tuned for our next project. Please like, share, and subscribe by clicking the yellow mixer icon. Thank you.